Hello, creatives. It is Thursday. We are just moving along through April. One more week to go. But I have to be honest with you. I am not going to be finished with this painting. One more week to go is probably one more kind of initial second layer, getting that layer in, finishing all the blocking of the leaves and the flowers, and then just taking my time and spending time getting the painting to where I want it to be. Um, I'm okay with that. Like, I just, as long as I've got the story on there and I'm happy with the composition, I'm happy with where things are and the measurement and all that. I'm happy with that. So once I've finished blocking everything in and I finish kind of getting that second layer in and playing with that, I'm in a good space. It's just me just adding more layers, building it up, and it will eventually get to the point where I'm ready to say I'm finished. I have learned a lot this month. I've learned a lot about challenging myself and really pushing myself within my creative practice to push myself to do things that are uncomfortable. So today I am focusing on adding another layer to the arm and the hand that's like up this way, and just kind of again adding more information, getting myself more comfortable with it, and not thinking that it has to look finished right now. Just adding small bits of information, and just kind of building it up from there. So that's what I'm working on today. This weekend is the Zoom call, the second Zoom call, where I'll be continuing to work on the piece, adding more layers. And that's it. So happy Thursday, happy creating, and let's go create something amazing today. All right. See you later.